press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Did you know shoelaces have evolved? They're called HICKIES, a new lacing system. A new idea: fasten once, never tie again. Make all your shoes look better and feel better.
Who are HICKIES for? Everyone. They work on any shoe.
What makes HICKIES so special? Once installed, you can slip on and off your shoes. You will never have loose laces again.
They adapt to your muscles movements, making sneakers more comfortable.
They are easy to use and you can adjust the tightness.
No messy bows. Make your shoes look, fit, and perform better. HICKIES lacing system are the evolution of shoelaces.
What started like a cool accessory to slip on and off your shoes has evolved into HICKIES 2.0, a smart adapted lace alternative that makes your shoes fit like a glove.
The fact that HICKIES 2.0 connects only 2 eyelets at a time makes it possible to deliver a targeted, customized fit. The key is to thread HICKIES using our different lacing techniques. If you have a high arch, you can loosen your HICKIES or tighten them up if your feet are too narrow or flat. HICKIES is the only lacing system smart enough to be truly adaptive.
Introducing the new Mengo MagnaSnap Mini Magnetic Air Vent Mount. Included in the box are instructions, 2 metal backplates, and the MagnaSnap mount. With its sleek and simple design, the MagnaSnap mount makes mounting your devices easier than ever. To use the MagnaSnap mount, attach one of the metal backplates to the back of your device, inside the cover of your device, or on the outside of the device case. For the strongest grip, have direct contact between the metal backplate and the MagnaSnap mount. To use the MagnaSnap mount, choose between one of 2 size slots on the mount and push it all the way into the air vent in your vehicle. Then, attach your device with the metal backplate to the MagnaSnap mount. With its 360-degree swivel capability, mount the device at whichever angle suits the driver's needs.